Welcome to Cleveland. I'm Shiri.
I'm Mikiko.
I'm Rico.
I'm Akari.
Do you know how to use washer and dryer in America?
We are going to talk about how to use washer
And dryer.
Let's go!
First, we recommend you to use the laundry net to avoid damaging your laundry. You should separate your laundry based on colors and fabric types. Second, according to the purpose, you set the wash programs here. In most cases, you use normal. If you choose programs, it shows temperature, spin, soil level, and extra rinse. High temperatures can remove dirt. If you choose extra high in spin, they can remove moisture. Soil level should be changed depending on the amount of laundry. This is deep steam. You laundry with taking your time, a lot of water, and carefully. This is extra hot and the speed of the cycle is fast, so you can wash with strong power. This is heavy duty. If you get severe stains, you should set this. Next, this program is able to sanitize, for example, sick things, bedding, and kids' clothes. This is an allergen. The temperature is extra hot, so they eliminate house bacteria. It rinses items and spins to remove moisture without detergent. This is great for washing swimsuits. It for active wear. This is a palm press. It's best for synthetic or blended fabrics. This is for delicate fabrics such as silk, linen, cotton, and lace. The lower speed and shorter wash cycle will help prevent the stretching and ripping of fabric. If you want to wash more clothes, you should set this. If you want to do laundry quickly, you can choose this. Finally, you add detergent and fabric softener and you change the quality of them according to the amount of water.
Hi, my name is Yukiko.
My name is Shiri.
We are talking about how to use dryer. Let's go.
First, turn the dryer on. We will use normal mode with a sensor. Take the clothes out of the laundry net so that the clothes can dry easier. But you should use a net when you dry delicate clothes like a knit. Second, set the dry level. The dryer will automatically set the temperature and the time. If you want to make your clothes softer and prevent wrinkles, we recommend using the fabric softener dryer sheets. Also, this will make your clothes smell great.